Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 9 PureView, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this Nokia 9 PureView device. So firstly, you need to find the photo you wanna delete and remove this photo. For example, I will choose several photos. And now I will remove. And now, if you have enabled the Google Backup, so removed photos will be stored in the trash bin during the 60 days. But if you don't have the Google Backup feature, your photos and videos will be stored only 30 days, so only 1 month after removing. So if you want to recover the photo, open the library and find bin. And here you will see recently deleted photos and videos. And now I want to recover, for example, these photos. So you need to click and hold, choose photos you want to recover, and click restore, go back, and as you can see, these photos were successfully restored. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!